I'm a doctor with specialist in microbiology, so I'm clinical microbiologist. I got my certificate in clinical microbiologist since 2004. That is not a popular specialist because mostly I'm work in the laboratory. I try to find what kind agent of infection which infected the patient. Many people doesn't understand about what is clinical microbiologist, but recently, because we are facing with antimicrobial resistant problem, many people are starting to understand what is clinical microbiologist. So clinical microbiologist work try to find what kind of agent, mostly bacteria, and try to identify what kind antibiotic can use for again that bacteria. No, maybe lab 50-50.
It depends, right?
It depends on the situation and the case. Many times I should visiting my patient in the intensive care unit, work together with the other clinician, because we should determine what kind of antibiotic fit with the case, that case. The clinician will take specimen from the patient, depend on what kind of infection. Like example, like if the patient suffering by suffer infection in urinary tract infection, like that. So the clinician will send urine to my lab.
So step one is
Send specimen to my lab. The kind of specimen is based on the kind of infection, because if the infection, like I say in the pulmonology, in the lung, so the specimen will different with the infection in urinary tract.
okay. After that,
After that, in my lab, so my staff will read the question form from the clinician. What kind of the diagnostic? What working diagnosis from the patient? And we inoculate the specimen on culture medium. We incubate until 24 hours, and the next day we identified and do resistancy tests for that bacteria. For TBC, if the specimen come to my laboratory, so my staff will send the specimen to the TB lab. They inoculate in the different media, special for TB. Different. Yes, because for my perspective, my profession is very important, but in infection case, we should know what exactly bacteria infected that patient. So my lab has duty to find and to determine what kind antibiotic should use or still work for that agent. So without my result of my laboratory, that will be make difficult to clinician to determine which antibiotic properly for the patient. Yes, I wish many clinician or many people will understand the importance of microbiology tests, so we can work together to reduce antimicrobial resistant problems. And I hope because clinical microbiologist is not favorite specialist, because we mostly work not in the front of patient, but mostly in laboratory. That means maybe not many people understand what I do every day. So I wish many people or clinicians can work together and understand the importance of microbiology tests.